What's up, guys? We got a 2013 Sonata on the block today, and we're about to do a diagnostic test. Well, we're about to do a diagnostic. Customer basically called, stated they were needing a diagnostic. So we're going to do an electrical one, and then we're going to do an under hood one, and of course a suspension one. Without further ado, let's go and get into it. All right, so guys, the Hyundai has a total of 19 different codes, fault codes, and everything like that. But I was able to find why it's not starting and stuff. All he needs is a simple starter. So I'm gonna let the customer know that he does need a starter. Besides that, though, we're going to go through these codes and I'm going to send them to him as well so we can get these situated. But we're about to go get out of here.